I'm Heather. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention systems. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products. So let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing our H-Apex bracket. Tools you'll be needing: a drill with a 3/8" socket, a chalk line, and a tape measure. Let's get started. Grab your drill and your H-Apex, along with your number 14 screw. Find your location. This is a retrofit application. Both screw holes must be filled with the number 14. That concludes the install of an H-Apex bracket. If you have any questions, please consult TRA's engineered layout. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or at sales@trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.